Hello again and welcome back. It's now time for Gadget Showcase. And the first device that's going to be presented today, and it's improperly said device, is an exoskeleton. And I'm very proud to have Andras here with me. We've met him 2 years ago when he attended our pre-accelerator MVP Academy. And last year at How to Web conference, he took the stage, but last year as a Startup Spotlight attendee and as the great winner of the Startup Spotlight competition. 1 year, a couple of financing rounds later, and with his product exposed in the Gadget Expo area, Andras takes the stage to present his exoskeleton. Thanks.
Hello, thank you everybody. Also thank you Irina. One slight difference in the story. Actually, we came here last year and we went to the acceleration program. So it didn't take us 2 years, it only took us 1 year. Okay, so for those of you who weren't here at the beginning of the presentation, I'm András Kapi, CEO of Axosuits. Axosuits is a medtech company building high-powered exoskeletons. Right now, we are at the clinical trial phase. Our goal is to change the obsolete technologies to the new and more modern exoskeleton technology and also to democratize access to it. There are multiple benefits. We are talking about the obvious medical benefits of helping a patient to be able to walk again. We are talking about the social impact of helping people who cannot be employed to get back on the field of work again. And there are also financial, most importantly, there are financial incentives by lowering the medical insurance cost and increasing the taxes collected by the government. The market is actually much bigger than we think. Most of the people in Romania are isolated and we don't have the necessary accessibility options, but we are talking about over 50 million wheelchair users in North America, in the European Union only. Out of these 50 million, there are over 10 million people with paraplegia, different forms of paraplegia. Most of the paraplegics are young, under the age of 35. Most of them get into this condition because of car or sports-related accident. Competition. There is no market without competition, and we wouldn't be interested in a market without competition, but we are better. First and foremost, we have a very, very, very competitive price. Also, we offer ease of use by enabling the user to have more power in the exoskeleton. The cost is affordable. The target price is the price of a mid-sized car. We have a custom made 4-level safety security system in order to avoid any kind of self-injury. And we also promote open interfaces. Albeit here in the pitch we are talking about the software integration, we also promote open hardware interface for additional devices to be connected to the exoskeleton. The team. I'm the CEO, I'm the business end of the company. My colleague Donin Hirce, CTO, he's outside, he's taking care of the exoskeleton, and I have Sorin Zseki, our software architect here. This year we expanded the team, our team with software developers and one chiropractor. And albeit we are small, we do want to have a corporate governance system, and that's why we have an advisory board with legal and business. So far we raised and used 200K of our own money, and we are planning to raise 2 million next year to start production and worldwide sales. Go-to-market strategy includes clinical trials which already have begun in Romania, and we want to extend that also into specific hospitals in Austria. The certification itself, and we've already found a large medical device manufacturer who can help us with the production capability. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, Skype me, email me, call me.
So we've got time for one question for Andras. One question for Andras. Over there, please. The question was whether he considered military applications.
Yes, it's not about considering, it's about having access to the required components. We do have some sketches, but first and foremost, we don't have access to that specific market yet. And secondly, in order to build a military use exoskeleton, we would need access to special materials which we currently don't have.
Okay, thank you very much, Andras, for being here. You're going to see Andras and learn more from his story in the early stage deals panels that's going to take place on the startup stage later on. Thank you.
Thank you, Lina.